Want hyper-realistic inpainting in milliseconds? Stop waiting! Today, I'll show you how to install Z-Image Turbo Fun ControlNet Union 2.1 for Inpaint on ComfyUI for lightning-fast results that actually look real. Let's dive in.
Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the Custom Node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will upload the input image.
We will right-click and select Open in Mask Editor. Then we will color the areas that need to be inpainted. I will use the built-in prompt in the workflow. We will run the workflow. The result is very beautiful. The colors are excellent. It looks like the photo was created without using Inpaint.
I will try another photo.
Now you can fix images instantly. If this workflow saved you time, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tutorials. Check out this video next to master your prompts. See ya!